Tonight, the search for the missing cockfight bettors in Taal Lake in Batangas is now underway. A jeepney has crashed into 2 homes in Camarines Norte. 3 are left injured. The United States government has announced a 20% tariff on the Philippines. And on our Eye on the World segment, the death toll in the Texas floods rises to 119, with more still missing. This and more on Circle Evening News. Good evening, Philippines and the world. I am James Roberts Billings. We start tonight with the top story. The search for the missing cockfight bettors, also known as sabongeros, has begun, as Philippine Coast Guard divers prepare to scour the Taal Lake bed in Batangas, where the bodies of missing bettors were supposedly dumped. Local officials hope the search will finally resolve the controversy, which has also affected the livelihood of local fishermen at the lake. Cassie Rosario has tonight's top story.
The Philippine Coast Guard has begun its technical site assessment in Taal Lake, Batangas, for the continued search for the missing cockfighters. Department of Justice Assistant Secretary Miko Clavano says that the technical assessment must be conducted before the actual deep dive into the lake to find remains.
So, nandito po tayo, titignan po natin at i-assess natin ang tubig at ang area kung saan gagawin ang search. Hindi po natin expectation ngayon na talagang magda-dive ang ating mga Coast Guard, kundi titignan lang po natin kung ano yung kondisyon ng tubig.
The Assistant Secretary has also said that it's still possible to find bodies in Taal Lake. He added that the government is not only working on information from a whistleblower who claims that the victims were buried in Taal Lake, but also other credible informants.
Yes, may mga nagsasabi po no na meron pa po tayong maabutan. They indicated certain factors no dahil what we're dealing with now is more fresh water. Yung mga dating searches were done in salt water. So there are experts advising us on what we should be looking for.
Clavano has also said that even if there are no bodies found, the Department of Justice still intends to move from kidnapping and serious illegal detention charges to murder.
We do hope to see remains that will match the DNA of those missing cockfight enthusiasts. What we have to prove is the fact of death. No? That is what is important in a murder case. Even if we do not find, we still have many options and we can corroborate the statements with hard evidence.
The mayor of Talisay, however, hopes the search for the missing cockfighters will end soon, as it has affected the livelihoods of many local fishermen.
Gusto namin dito sa Talisay, at tinayo kasama na rin yung mga karatig bayan ay mabilisan itong maayos at apektado na yung kabuhayan ng aming mga kababayan dito. Kaya hanggat maaari, ayaw na namin patagalin pa ang ganitong mga issue.
I'm Cassie Rosario, and this is Circle Evening News.